This is a very easy and simple, high protein, healthy fat loss snack recipe. If your goal is losing fat, building some muscle, this is a high protein, high volume snack that's going to help keep you on track. So very quick and easy, it takes literally minutes to prepare, there's no cooking, nothing involved. Let's get into it. So this is the ingredients for the recipe. I have some Greek yogurt here. I'm using some fat-free coconut with vanilla. Any sort of kind of vanilla Greek yogurt's good to go for this. What you want to watch out for in the Greek yogurts, and for any clients watching on the meal plan recipe, I don't have the macros. Wait 1 second. So this is the macros here. Per 100 grams, 6 protein, 7.5 carbs, 0.5 fat. You want to look for about at least 6 grams of protein, 5 to 6 grams of protein and similar amounts of carbs. What you want to watch out for and avoid is when this is like 13 to 14 per 100 grams and this is like 2 to 3. That's basically just ice cream. That's what you want to watch out for. The Greek style as well is something that's that's higher in protein, so it's a better option as well. But Greek yogurt, I've got some mixed berries here. I have some Splenda for sweetener and some cocoa powder here as well. So first things first, I'm going to add in a teaspoon of cocoa and also around a teaspoon of sweetener. Now, if you're not adding these and you just want to have the fruit with it, perfect, no problem. Just add the fruit in and stir it in. But if you're going for the chocolate version, then you have to add these in first. So I have just mixed in my cocoa powder and sweetener, just give that a good stir around. And I'm going to take my fruits. Now I've got some summer mixed berries here. You can choose whatever you like, they're all relatively the same. I tend to like the mixed berries, so I'm going to break them up a bit. And this is good to go. I'm going to pick some of the ones out from the bottom as well, so it's not just all the larger ones. And that's it, just give that a stir around. Now you can put this in a tub and take it to work and put this wherever you need to be. Oh shit, got away with that there. And it's a nice, easy, portable, chocolate-based snack. Now you're just mixing in the fruit, as I said, no stress. You don't need the cocoa, you don't need the sweetener. Just have the Greek yogurt and the fruit and you're good to go. Right, that is my finished article here. So again, you can pack this somewhere if you like. Nice, portable, easy and convenient. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video, leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe as well for more future videos. See you all in the next one.